In this video, I will show you how to change language in Pokémon TCG Pocket. So let's jump straight into it. To change your language, as you can see, we're here on Pokémon TCG Pocket. What you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto these three lines to open up this menu. From here, what you want to do is come and press onto Other at the bottom of this menu. And then what you want to do is press onto Settings at the top of the screen. Now what this is going to do is open up your settings, and from here all you need to do is simply scroll down the page slightly and you're going to see a box for language selection. So to change your language, what you want to do is press onto this box. You can see mine's currently set to English. Then what you can do is change your language to any of the languages available on here. Now, at the time of recording, not all languages are supported. It's only the languages that you're going to see when you press onto language selection. So all you want to do is change your language from here. So say, for example, we wanted to change to French. I would select the option here and then press OK. And what it's going to do is refresh the game. And when it refreshes the game and takes you back to the title screen, you'll now see that everything is actually in French. So that is how to change language in Pokémon TCG Pocket. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.